Most people get this wrong with PayPal Pay Later. They think it's just another buy now pay later app. But here's the truth no one tells you. PayPal Pay Later works very differently from apps like Klarna or Afterpay because it's built directly into one of the biggest payment platforms in the world. And depending on how you use it, that can either save you money or quietly create problems. In this video, I'll break down exactly how PayPal Pay Later works in 2026, who it's best for, the hidden downsides you need to know, and whether it's actually worth using this year. And later, I'll show you the biggest mistake users make that can hurt their finances fast. First, let's keep this simple. PayPal Pay Later mainly has two options. The first is Pay in 4. You split your purchase into 4 equal payments every 2 weeks. The second option is monthly financing for larger purchases. That can stretch payments over several months depending on the store and your approval. Now here's where it gets interesting. PayPal already has millions of users connected to bank accounts and debit cards. That means applying is usually faster than signing up for a brand new BNPL app. Alex bought a $200 gaming headset online and got approved for Pay in 4 in less than a minute directly at checkout. But here's the problem. Approval is not guaranteed just because you have PayPal. PayPal still reviews your account history, spending patterns, and sometimes your credit profile. Some users get smaller spending limits than expected, especially if they are new accounts or have inconsistent payment activity. One big advantage is convenience. You don't need another app for many purchases. If a store supports PayPal, there's a good chance Pay Later is available. That makes it useful for online shopping, electronics, travel bookings, and even smaller emergency purchases. But this is where most people fail. They treat Pay in 4 like free money. John used PayPal Pay Later for clothes, headphones, and a new phone case, all in the same month. Individually, the payments looked small. But together, the automatic withdrawals became hard to manage. Missing payments can lead to late fees and restrictions on future approvals. In a minute, I'll tell you whether PayPal Pay Later is actually better than Klarna or Affirm for most people. If you want simple short-term payments with a familiar platform, PayPal Pay Later is honestly one of the easiest options in 2026. The interface is clean, approvals are fast for many users, and integration with existing PayPal accounts makes checkout smooth. However, for larger financing, apps like Affirm may offer more flexible long-term payment plans. And for users rebuilding credit, Klarna or Afterpay may sometimes feel easier to access depending on your profile. So is PayPal Pay Later worth it? For responsible users, yes. It's fast, convenient, and widely accepted. But only if you stay disciplined with repayments and avoid stacking multiple BNPL purchases at once. If this review helped you decide whether PayPal Pay Later is worth using in 2026, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your experience using Pay in 4 or monthly financing.